All right, everyone, it's Sophia again. I'm late to the air fry trend, and it was a fail. Yup, you guessed it, burnt. This time, I even prepped the chicken perfectly. Washed, dried, seasoned, the whole shebang. But somehow these boneless thighs decided to become little black rocks. Well, almost. First things first, I wash these boneless thighs, vinegar and lime. It gets them clean and make the meat extra tender. Using my all-time favorite seasoning combo, check below the description if you're curious. Rub it all over these bad boys, and because it's the air fryer, a little drizzle of olive oil. Well, they don't look bad. Let's flip them and cook them at the same temperature for another 10 minutes. By the way, anyone else having an air fryer crisis too? While the chicken finishes up, I'll whip up a quick honey garlic glaze to give it that extra something. Question is, are these